Hi, I'm Michael Gaffney. I am the director of Flower Design Schools of America. We have design schools in 8 cities, from Miami to New York, from New York to San Francisco, and all down the West Coast. And what we do is we basically teach beginners how to do the art of floral design. I turn beginners into pros. All of our students accomplish gorgeous, gorgeous work. I'm also the author of the new book that came out, Design Star. Basically has all the recipes, the formulas that we teach in class for beautiful flower designing. Everything you need to know, not only how to design gorgeous flowers, but also how to market them and sell your design, which is also very important. So this book is available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble. You can go to our website, which is newyorkflowerdesign.com, and order your copy of Design Star. So I'm going to take something right out of the book right now and show you how easy this is. Here's some pretty blue irises that I picked up at the local flower shop today. I'm going to take some blue hydrangeas and just collar around my blue my blue irises. And I'm going to pick up another flower and collar around that one. These are some beautiful peach roses. I teach my students in classes all over the country that flower designing should be effortless and easy. You know, at home you're struggling, you're praying over your flowers. Please turn out, Michael's coming over. It shouldn't be that way. It should be very easy to do once you've been shown the technique and the formulas. So here we have a nice mixed bouquet, and now I'll add a few more irises around the outside of my design. Makes it great. You know, this is the type of bouquet you make. I call it a nice housewarming gift. I love to make these real quick. This is taking about 2 minutes to make. I love to make these, and when I'm invited over to dinner, walk in with one of these for the hostess to put on her table. Very, very, very pretty, very simple. It's what you do when you pick up mixed flowers at the grocery store. Also in my pile of flowers here, I have a little kale. Why not add a little bit of that? A little organic looking kale from your garden around the outside. So it works with any flower, this type of line. It's called a Dutch mass design, meaning it's all Holland flowers in an all mass design. And we'll finish it off with a little bit of filler. Again, 2 minutes designing, easy breezy summertime designs. I think it's chapter 6 right out of the book. And there you go, I finished it off with a little bit of filler. It's like a wax flower, it's actually called Sterling Range around the outside, and there you go. How easy was that? Very easy. All out of the book Design Star and all easy, simple flower designing. So check us out at newyorkflowerdesign.com or see you in class. Classes are 4 times a year, and you'll be doing beautiful stuff like this in no time. Thanks.